First of all, fix the plate with the help of 4 fastener into the ceiling. If you don't have the space for fasteners, then you can use the J-hole and make a fixture like this and fix with the help of this. तार अंदर से ले लो भाई, पहले तार लो अंदर से कर लो. Now fix the flange plate with the help of bolts. Wire should come from inside of the round pipe. Do it first. With the help of a spanner, tighten the bolts. You should put the flange plate after fixing the light because you are having false ceiling there. But we are showing you in the video. We are placing it before. एवढं से लोगे ये लड्डू जाओ ठीक है. ये उधर तक कराएंगे ना. इधर का बंद कर दो, कैमरा पे लगा. 2% may be required for this holding the bars, arms of the light. These are the brake bolt for the arms of the light. So tight these properly. With the help of this brake bolt, this can be held. Otherwise, it will fall down if you don't tight the brake bolts. Remember to tight the brake bolts. There are two bolts by side. Now pour the wire through the plate cover and it will come down to other side. These are the pipes. So this one is for the upper arm. The bigger pipe is for the upper arm and the smaller pipe is for the downside arm, smaller arm. Use the L key and hold it with the by tightening the screw. There are counter on the inner band, so please tight the screw in the groove only. Both side groove is provided, so use the screw rightly into the provided groove. One more thing, first of all, unwrap the whole material. Plastic should be uncovered. Now you can see both arms are hanging with their spots. Rotate them properly and check that they are rotating properly, going through everywhere. In the last, there is a lock, so return them back and check. Move individually, एक एक करके move them individually and check they are rotating finely. And if they are loose one, moves automatically, then please tight the brake bolt. It must not move itself. Move only when you are moving this one. Put the rubber accessory. There will be a number on each part. The number will be should be matched. दिखाओ इसकी तरफ बोलो. A number is shown here. Match the number with the number given to that pipe. जोड़ लिया. देखो ये इधर आया भाई. Connect the wire properly. A helper should be there. Always two persons should work. It is a heavy product. Otherwise, the accident may happen. Connect the wire properly and then put the sleeve on it. Sleeve is provided there. Sleeve must be put properly. Sleeve नहीं लगी अच्छे से. Now unscrew the screw provided there and match the groove inside the pipe. Then pull the lower arm and tight the screw. With the help of Allen key. Now connect the other arm. The procedure same before like the first one. Connect the wires properly. Put the sleeve on. Put the arm into the pipe. Bring it closer to yourself. Pass down. Now match the groove. Put the arm inside. Unscrew the screws provided there. Fix the arm properly inside. तुरंत लिया हो भाई, देखिए पटक ना रही है, दूरे जाने लग रही है ये। When it is balanced, it will go smoothly into the pipe. Now tight the screw. Now move both arms and check that these are fixed properly or not. Okay, now it is fixed properly. Move it. Check the movements. This arm is a spring-loaded arm, so don't pull and throw away. It will work properly after fixing the dome on it. Now you can see almost all the structure is finished, and we are now going to put the dome properly on the arms. Bring the arm this side, and with the first of all make a connections. Forcibly down the arm. Now connect the wire. Please connect the black wire to black, red to red. Otherwise, there will be no light in the dome and it won't blow up. So please connect red to red, black to black. In the whole structure, this method should be used, black to black and red to red. Then put the sleeve on. Now properly fit the dome inside the arm, and with the help of Allen key, locate the groove inside the arm, unscrew the screw, and by fixing it to the groove, you tight it properly. So it must not come out. Check it now. It is now fixed with the arm. Now the dome is fixed in the first arm. ये ना जो इसका वो लगा दियो नीला. Now we will go for the second dome. Bring the arm closer. Now put it down forcibly. Now connect the wires of the another dome, black to black and red to red, and then put the sleeve on. Connect the wire properly. If you don't connect, if you connect black to red or red to black, then the light will not on. Connections are reversed, so please connect black to black and red to red. And this whole light is working on DC voltage. Keep in mind always. Now unscrew the screw, then put it into the groove and screw properly. Tight it properly. Now the another dome is also fixed. ये रबड़ की वापस कर दो. सारे डोम की सीधी रहेगी. बाद में करेंगे. कोई बात नहीं बाद. हाँ ठीक ऐसे रहने. So now you can see that both the domes are fixed in the arms. दोनों को एक साथ कर दो. तो दिखे दोनों. इसको पीछे ले लो. So in this way you can fix the light with the ceiling easily. You have to put 4 wires from the inner structure, so that 2 for 1 SMPS and 2 for another SMPS. Each light has its separate electrical unit, which will take AC and convert it to DC, then will provide the dome. Move the dome properly and check the balance. Now you can see that the whole light is fixed properly here. And now we are going to remove the light, and we are going to pack this one. Now we will show you the SMPS, the main supply unit of the lights, how the light works on the system of SMPS.